Hey everyone, Amplify Fiji here, and today we're talking about writing, a superpower we all possess. Think about it. Words can change the world. They can make you laugh, cry, or think differently. From epic novels to simple text messages, writing is everywhere. It's how we communicate, share stories, and leave our mark on the world. And the best part? Anyone can be a writer. You don't need a fancy quill or a magical typewriter. All you need is a pen, paper, or a keyboard, and the courage to let your thoughts flow. Trust me, the power of words is waiting to be unlocked within you. So why is writing so important? Well, for starters, it helps us clarify our thoughts and understand the world around us. Ever notice how writing something down makes it seem clearer in your head? Writing also helps us connect with others. Sharing our stories, ideas, and experiences through writing builds bridges and fosters understanding. Plus, writing is a valuable skill in all aspects of life, from school and work to personal relationships. A well-crafted email can land you a job, a heartfelt letter can mend a broken heart, and a captivating story can transport readers to another world. Ready to unleash your inner wordsmith? Here are a few simple tips to improve your writing. Read, read, read. The more you read, the better you write. Pay attention to the way authors use language, structure their sentences, and tell their stories. Write every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Practice makes perfect, and the more you write, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different writing styles, genres, and points of view. You never know what you might discover. Find your voice. Writing is about expressing yourself, so let your personality shine through in your words. Get feedback from others. Share your writing with trusted friends or family members and ask for their honest opinions. I remember when I first started writing. I was terrified. I stared at the blank page for hours, unsure of what to say or how to say it. But then I discovered the joy of letting go and just writing whatever came to mind. It wasn't always perfect, but it was mine. And that's what matters most. Writing is a journey, not a destination. So embrace the ups and downs, learn from your mistakes, and never stop exploring the power of words. Remember, everyone has a story to tell. So what are you waiting for? Grab a pen and start writing today. You might just surprise yourself with what you create.